In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HARPA AI to Chrome. HARPA AI is a versatile assistant that lives right inside your browser. Once it's installed, it can summarize web pages, analyze PDFs and YouTube videos, automate simple browser tasks, help you write clearer emails, and even extract data from websites. Let's walk through the setup so you can start using it in just a couple of minutes. Begin by opening the official page for the HARPA AI extension in the Chrome Web Store. This is Google's trusted marketplace for extensions, and it's the safest place to install tools like this. When you're on the HARPA AI page, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small pop-up asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to approve the installation. You'll see Chrome download the extension and then a brief confirmation once it's ready. After it installs, look to the top right corner of Chrome. You should see the HARPA AI icon appear in your toolbar. If you don't see it right away, click the puzzle-shaped extensions button. This opens a list of your installed extensions. Find HARPA AI there, then click the pin icon so it's always visible next to your address bar. Pinning it makes it easy to open whenever you need it. Now click the HARPA AI icon to launch the setup guide. The extension will ask you to choose how you want to connect to an AI service. You can pick from options like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity. Choose the one you prefer. If your choice requires an account, you'll be prompted to sign in. This step helps HARPA AI use your selected model to generate answers and perform tasks on your behalf. With that done, you can start using HARPA AI right away. A handy tip is the keyboard shortcut Alt+A, which opens HARPA AI quickly while you're browsing. It's great for moments when you want an instant summary or need help drafting a message without breaking your flow. Here are a few ways to put it to work. On long articles, ask for a quick summary before you commit to a deep read. For PDFs or research documents, have HARPA AI analyze the content and pull out key points. When you're watching a YouTube video, it can highlight major takeaways so you can grasp the essentials faster. It can also help you draft clear, polite emails and extract organized data from pages that list products, reviews, or other structured information. That's it. Add from the Chrome Web Store, confirm, pin the icon, choose your AI connection, sign in if needed, and use Alt+A to open it anytime. Enjoy exploring what HARPA AI can do for your workflow.